All right, so I'm going to address question one, which is what's the biggest threat, biggest UAV threat that CIOs, CTOs aren't ready for? And do you want me to delve into the answer? So one of the biggest threats, I didn't say where I'm from. So Robb Monkman, Chief Marketing Officer at Teal Communications, teal.io. So one of the biggest threats that I think people aren't talking about as it relates to the UAV industry is the invisible threat of connectivity. And more recently, people are starting to talk about the need for redundancy and failover. And from our perspective at Teal, cellular connectivity is really important in areas like urban, suburban, city types of environments where you've got big buildings and things like this. But you also need RF, mesh networks, satellite for C2 links, and it's really an and, not an or. And so even on the cellular side though, you still need redundancy, you still need failover. One network isn't going to work across the United States, across the world. Roaming solutions really aren't going to cut it for the types of mission critical solutions like beyond visual line of sight, drone operations. You really need that direct connectivity onto carriers like AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, or tier one carriers in other parts of the world. So that's one of the key threats that I think is an invisible threat that people are just now starting to really address and start to think about.